Don't pull something
My
out.
fingers are ready now. All right, up now we have 333 with Captain, my captain. And on deck we have 613 with important papers.
Captain, there's two ships on the horizon.
Boy, bring me my red jackets. The men don't see me bleed. Fire the cannons.
Yes, sir.
Boom! Boom!
We've sunk the ships, Captain.
Captain, there's 5 ships in the horizon.
Boy, bring me my red jackets. The men don't see me bleed. Now fire the cannons.
Okay.
Boom! Boom!
We sunk the ships, Captain.
Captain, there's 40 ships on the horizon. What should we do?
Boy, bring me my brown pants.